These are all 8 of Twinkle's babies, all scrunched together in this chair. Sunshine, Pepper, Link, Aqua, Copper, Taylor, Epona,
and Ganondorf.
Ganondorf. They're so cute. Hi. And Pepper all scrunched up there. Nice hearts.
Right now you're looking at Epona and Ganondorf.
Fluffy board.
And you're also looking at Fluffy. Well, you were looking at Fluffy, but
So pretty adorable.